Welcome to Thursday Train and some earthly pearls. Okay, these are the colors that I'm going to be using today. Over on this end, that's going to be an accent color. That's basically Prussian blue with a tiny bit of Payne's gray in there, and the scrapings from my last one, which is so there's going to be a little bit of indigo waves in there also. This is my cloud mixture. It's Chromcryl white with titanium buff, just enough to give it a little bit of an off-white look. That's the pearl mix. Is 2 parts of the Floetrol with 1 part of the Vallejo Pearl medium. So we're going to see how that works for me. That's a bit thick, so I might have to thin it up. This is silver by Arteza, mixed with 1 part paint to 3 parts of Floetrol. This is a combination of Lagoon and Psych by this little Piggy. And this had to be dispersed slightly different. It has some GAC 800 to disperse the 2 pigments, and then added to that is the 3 parts of the Australian Floetrol. Not Australian, Floetrol. This is gold by Arteza with just a tiny bit of the 24 karat gold by Deco Art, just to beef it up a little bit. We'll see how that works. And again, mixed the same way. And this is burnt Sienna with just a tiny bit of gold, and both of those by Arteza. So I'm going for a very earthy look. I'm going to take you down and we'll look at the consistencies. Okay, I'm going to paint over a painting that I'm not crazy about and test this pearl recipe. I wasn't going to do this, but I need to make sure that my consistencies are going to work together. So I'm going to put music on. I'm going to let you listen. You've already seen the colors. You've already seen the consistencies. So let's see how they work. it's time for the flyover. Notice I did get some pearl cells here, not as large as I would like to see, so I'm going to have to refine this formula just a little bit more, but I'm happy with the way this came out. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thursday Train is going monthly, so join us next month on the 28th. Up next is Just Janese, followed by Art by Julie E., so stick around. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.